It's very windy, not as sunny. It's supposed to be sunny. Beach vacation for the week at Waves, North Carolina. You have the waves coming, I tell you what. We've had rain, lots of rain, downwind. We're hoping somehow the weather will change and get to enjoy a little bit more. We're making the best of it. I got the brother-in-law and nephew building a sand castle. I've got just still beauty all around us. I got my niece looking for money. Whoa, I got my wife getting sloshed by a surprise wave. Looking at this driftwood over here. Did this come from out at sea, or is this already on land here? Just don't know. Lesson to if you ever rent a house, bring extra stuff, because we found out the other night that if you wanted a pot holder, there were no pot holders. Had to get creative how to get the food out last night. Cooking something, so anyways, just gonna walk and just enjoy this while it's not raining. There's some concrete, asphalt from something. Who knows where that could have came from? Eroded from some piece of road somewhere probably. We hope to get to go see the lighthouses. Can't go up in them again, but I'd like to show my niece and everything. Heard today that they're testing the rides at Carowinds, so that's good. I mean, these are impressive waves, even for not having a tropical storm or a hurricane right now. And I know it's not California waves, but it's still pretty awesome. I'm not ready to get my phone out this point. Walk back and see what the sandcastle building's going. So, oh my God, oh my goodness, she waited too long. Wow. Oh, I think she's changing her clothes when she gets back. Oh, hon, I'm so sorry. That's the dangers of getting too close to the ocean waves. Keep your eye on it. Well, anyway, where was I? Well, finally got to vacation time, and it's just great not to be working. But yeah, if we get back, looks like our old dog was black and white. Alright, let's get a close look at these sand castles here. There we go. Impressive. Most impressive. Been here for many, many years. DK. Michael, how's your deep hole going? Is it going to get deeper? All right. As long as you can get yourself out of it, don't go too deep. It's like it's seeking me out. Here's some burnt wood I just kicked. People have had fires out here. Let's see if there's a piece of wood around. Let's see if I can get back into the ocean. Uh-oh, Maya. That splash. Seems to be stuck. Wow. Let's watch that. Whoa. Second here up, baby shark, baby shark. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this crazy unedited vlog of the time at the ocean. Sorry again about the waves, but this is the quality you get. Subscribe, and there'll be